Hi everyone, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with your weekly devotion, day 19. Oops. And today's devotion is in the raw. Walk through any department store, watch TV, or pursue a magazine, and you're going to be faced with makeup ads. They tell us They tell, sell, and call any securities about your looks, so you'll use their products to be more beautiful. And the ads work. The majority of women wear makeup to cover blemishes, enhance their best features, and hide the stress and pain dwelling deep inside. But at the end of the day of each day, after washing off the mask, there's just you in the mirror in the raw and real form. The makeup's job of appealing to the world is done. Now it's back to what sees all along. A beautiful creation whom he loves and makes whole, no matter what you look like on the outside. God looks at your heart for him, which is the most beautiful makeup you could ever wear. And then 19th prayer is, Father, thank you that I don't have to look a certain way on the outside for you to love me. With the conditions set by the world, it's hard. It's a hard concept to fully embrace. Please help me to really believe in it and to flourish in the comfort of knowing I am loved just the way I am. I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next week for day 20's uh, weekly devotion. So please be blessed, be caring, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.